Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App, not letting you receive money. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, scroll down and select the Limits option. Here, you'll be able to see how much money you can receive within a certain period. If you've already reached your receiving limit, you won't be able to accept more payments until it resets. Now, even if you're under the limit, the most important step is to verify your identity. At the top of the settings page, tap on Verify Your Identity and follow the instructions. This usually includes entering your full name, date of birth, and sometimes ID verification. Once verified, your limits increase, and many receiving issues get resolved instantly. Next, within your settings, scroll a little and check your linked bank or debit card. Tap on Linked Banks and make sure your card is active and not expired. If your card is missing or invalid, Cash App may block incoming payments. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and your app is updated to the latest version, as outdated apps can sometimes cause glitches. If you're still facing the issue, scroll down in Settings and tap on Support. Then go to Payments, and then select Receiving Payments. Again, select Receiving Payments, and at the bottom, tap Chat. Here, send a message explaining your issue, like, "Hi, I can't receive payments on my account. Please help." A Cash App support representative will review your account and guide you further. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Cash App not letting receive money. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.